Hi everybody, welcome to the day. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's vlog. Today's Sunday and I'm currently at the Republic. They are having a shopping party today and I was invited. Edwin should be here, Henry's here, a bunch of other fashion people are going to be here as well. So I'm here for free booze, free drinks, and just a good old time. I just put on my shoes. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my jumpsuit and my pants. So I wanted an interesting mixed print look. And I'm carrying this super cute bag. I literally got this bag in Oshodi yesterday. I've been carrying around ever since. It is a Coach bag, a thrifted Coach bag. I love it. It's in that shape that is very in and very trendy right now. It carries exactly all the shit I need, so this is what makes this bag amazing. All right, that's enough yapping. Let's go
Hey, nice to meet you guys.
Why are you saying nice to meet them? You've met them before.
Like,
they know who you are.
You know me, but I don't know you, and I'm trying to introduce myself. Yeah, I'm like cute.
I'm cuter than you. I'm much cuter than you.
No, seriously, look at it. It's cuter.
What's your problem? You guys should convince Edwin to make his particular dress for me. I sent him something and I asked him to make it for me.
If there's anything I've learned in 2019 is how to say no.
Make it for me now. Wait for Giddy Culture.
No.
I'll wait for Giddy Culture. I'll be slaying, you know.
Do you have money?
I don't have money now.
No.
So we are at the Harvest right now. We are here for the PGM Club Hip Hop Edition.
Hello.
With Edwin.
Again. I'm the pretty one.
I'm here to see Barely Any Hook, who is a...
Baby girl, I'm really here.
Hey, if you leave me here, it's fine. Hey,
Hi, my love. Mwah. How are you doing? Hi, guys.
Hi.
Welcome to PGM.
Here to see a rapper called Barely Any Hook. We're working together on a documentary. Yeah.
I'm going to teach you guys a little bit of Spanish tonight, alright? Work with me, okay? Say mucha ropa, say mucha ropa, mucha ropa. Then you clap along like this, go. Mucha ropa, say mucha ropa. See bright like a starburst, type of skin with an Osborne. You sound native but his passport for him and bang love song. So an encore, raise the clap like we on stage, bring him out of his cave. Look, many got flow for days. It ain't about that right now. Charge up the phone, but it's there right now. Call to a lady, but it's there right now. And better y'all bottom, but it's there right now. No plans for the future, feeling dead right now. So jam with it, you can hit a man right now.
Hello, beautiful people. How are we doing today? I am currently speeding. Not speeding, but I'm driving very fast to Harbour Point, which is in Victoria Island on Amadu Bello. I am headed for the premiere of the new episode, the premiere of Game of Thrones season 8. Johnny Walker and DSTV are having an event. I was invited. They're premiering the first episode of the season and I'm excited. I will not lie, I did not keep up with Game of Thrones like all through. I kept up with it up until season 5. I didn't watch season 6, I didn't watch season 7, but I got the main gist from like being on the internet, because the internet will never make you forget that you're watching Game of Thrones. Like every time somebody's watching Game of Thrones, they just have to tweet about it. I don't know what it is about Game of Thrones, but like when you're watching Game of Thrones, you just have this, you just want to share. I don't know what it is. The invite said 6 p.m. It's a little bit past 6. I'm hoping that I don't get there late. That's my issue. I don't want to get there late and then I miss the like any part of it. I already know the main gist because again the internet watched it. Like the majority of people have already watched Game of Thrones, and you know many other people are just watching it today. Meanwhile, the sun is so good for my makeup and so good for my glow. Like I look so pretty today and I love it. Stuck in traffic trying to get to the event because that is what Lagos is all about. Being stuck in traffic for every single thing. Like I can't tell you how many times I've been stuck in traffic these past couple of weeks. Like I'm honestly tired of Lagos. Like when I say people should stop moving to Lagos, I don't mean it in like a mean way. I just mean it because like Lagos is already so full and so jam-packed that it's getting harder for the people that live here already to actually like survive and live a proper life. Like Lagos is in the constant process of trying to kill you, trying to break your spirit, and trying to make you into somebody that you are not. You move to Lagos and you become an angry, mean, conniving person because you're literally just trying to survive in a city that is trying to kill you. So anybody that thinks, oh, Lagos is amazing because of the way like people show it, like the way I show it, now I want to let you guys know that Lagos is terrible. Like I'm in traffic right now and this traffic is gonna last God knows how long, and this is why everybody's always late everywhere, because we are in traffic all the time. We are frustrated all the time. Like yeah, that's my rant for today. Morning guys, it is Wednesday and I just finished filming this festival themed, like a colorful festival, Coachella / Giddy Culture Fest, like just basically a look for the festival season. So I just finished filming it. I'm also watching the Homecoming Beyonce film, so I'm getting all my life from that, but that is not exactly what I'm doing today. Today I'm going to be going for a table read. I am going to be acting in a short film with Stephen Chooks and a bunch of other people. It's going to be a comedy film. I have a really interesting part in the short film and I'm excited. We're doing a reading today in Lekki, so I have to leave the house soonish because I know I'm going to enter traffic on the way to Lekki. I'm going to go there with this face of makeup because I mean, I don't think it's a bad idea to leave the house with this kind of makeup on. I am here at Skybox for the reading. That is where everybody is for the reading. Noble is... Say hi to Noble. Noble! We're at Skybox right now for the reading of the script. I'm so excited. They just told me that this thing is going to be on Silverbird, so I was just like, my heart is beating. Also, I'm slightly drunk because I had a very strong Long Island, so if I sound very weird, I apologize. We are gonna start reading soon. We're waiting for somebody else. As you can see, there's a group of us there just chilling. I just ordered some food so that I will not get too drunk because you gotta eat. Advice to the people that are out there, if you're gonna drink, make sure you eat first so that you're not too drunk.
Thank you so much for coming to celebrate my engagement to the love of my life. Some of you have met him already, but for those of you who haven't, both of us are very excited to be sharing this news with you guys first.
Good morning guys, how are y'all doing? It is Thursday. Oh, yesterday I was so super tired that I wasn't able to like update you guys on what was going on. But basically after the thing I did in the morning yesterday, which I can't remember right now because I'm tired, I went to go meet Barely Any Hook. Oh yes, the movie reading. After that I went to go meet Barely Any Hook, and I was with him when he rehearsed, recorded some parts of the documentary and stuff. But now I'm home. Today's Thursday, as I said again. I have a bunch of shit I need to do, but I want to show you guys my office. They finally painted the walls of my office. It looks white, but it's not white. It's called a baby pink, and you know it's not white when you see it against the staircase right here. So this is white, as you can see, and this is the color of my walls. So it's kind of like white with a drop of pink in it, which is what I initially wanted in the beginning, but I couldn't afford the paint I wanted at that time. But now I can afford the paint, so I bought the paint, and now I painted my office the way I want. And basically my office is done. Like, there's no more renovations to be done, there's nothing else. What is left right now is to decorate and to basically put stuff together. So I need to get the rug, I need to get the shelves I want, I need to get a mirror because there's going to be a full-length mirror in this corner, and there's going to be a couple of other stuff that I want in the office. So what is left for me now is to decorate my office, because my office is now done. There's a bunch of stuff in my office because they painted, they did the tiles of our entire living room and dining room. So we had to put like a couple of stuff here when they were doing the tiles, and we haven't been able to take the stuff back because we're lazy, and not really lazy, but we're tired. Home renovations are a lot. Home renovations can be so much, so we're just like tired and just trying to survive. So right now it is 8 a.m. I have a bunch of stuff I need to do, and I keep saying that and it sounds like, oh, Deola is just saying, oh, she has a bunch of stuff to do, but I legit have like a lot of things that I need to do before I leave the house by 1 p.m. The thing is that I have actively been pursuing creative opportunities that I wouldn't have actively pursued before. For example, I went for a reading for a movie. I was there yesterday, and that's me just trying to figure out like, oh, can I be an actress as well? And then the Barely Any Hook thing is me working on a documentary, and I think that's because I'm a trained journalist basically, and I've missed telling other people's stories, and I wanted to tell someone's story that was different, interesting, and wasn't really on the mainstream level. I wanted to tell somebody's story in a different way, which is why I'm making this documentary. I don't know when the documentary is coming out. I can't tell you guys that because I haven't even, like, number one, it's not even finished yet. But even when it's finished, I'm gonna have to sit down and edit like crazy, because this is not just a random anything. It's a documentary that I want to see if I can get a big premiere for. Not a big premiere, but like I would like to create some kind of buzz and hype about the premiere, about the documentary, so that it can give me the opportunity to work with other musicians as well. Depending on how well the first one does will determine if I'll be able to continue and the next person I want to do, because I already know the next artist I would like to do a documentary on, but obviously I just can't say. I have to prove myself, which is what I'm trying to do with the first documentary I am creating. And hopefully I'm able to prove myself. But yes, I have a really busy day. Edit this video that's supposed to go up today. After editing the video, I have a meeting with a skincare brand by 1:30. Then after that, I have to go to Ikeja City. I have to go to Ikeja City Mall for the DJ Copy meet and greet with Maybelline. I'm working with them on that, so I have to go for that. And then afterwards, I'm supposed to be having dinner with an old friend of mine today. Pursuing all my creativeness is taking time. It's taking a lot, because when I got back home yesterday, I was super tired, but I am very determined to do what I can, and I'm very determined to pursue everything within my arsenal. I'm here at Bungalows. I'm here for my meeting that I'm having with a skincare brand, hoping I can catch a quick lunch, something quick and easy before I have to go to Ikeja City Mall for traffic on the way to the Maybelline event. I don't like how I've been late to things. Like, lateness is not a really, I don't know, lateness is not a part of the Deola Adebiyi brand. So I'm supposed to be there to cover the event, but I'm stuck in traffic, and it's annoying. It's just annoying me. I don't like being late already in the first deal. I don't like being late at all, but being late on the way to an event or on the way for something that's this, it's annoying my soul. So Lagos, I need you guys. I've been ranting about Lagos a lot, but life, I could live anywhere else. I would wonderfully go live anywhere else, but I have to live in Lagos because you know, this is where my life is. So I am at Ikeja City Mall right now for the DJ Copy event. She's there. There's a lot of lights there, so you can't see her, but she's right there getting her makeup done with Bimpe Onokoya.
Everybody, let's go for it. Check, 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 what? Are you ready now?
Hey guys, good morning. It is Saturday afternoon, and I am ready to go to GidiFest. As I told you guys, I am doing a documentary on an artist called Barely Any Hook. He's a great rapper. I'll put his link in the SoundCloud below. So anyway, I am doing a documentary on him, and I'm getting ready to go to GidiFest because he's already there. He's doing sound check and all that stuff. So this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing shorts, a bralette, and a nice top from Studio Emo. And this is my makeup today. It wasn't supposed to be this extra, but you know what? Shit happens. It is hot and my teeth hurt. My teeth hurt, but I have to get ready to do this. At GidiFest, and Barely Any Hook is with me. Hello, Barely. That is Barely Any Hook. So we're walking right now to go and get drinks. It's hot AF. Like I'm sweating like I don't know what exactly to say. But thankfully my makeup is standing up well to this heat.
Hey guys, it's WK. We are still here at GidiFest with... I'm about to bring on stage the next artist to perform. And you know, this is Afro soul music, good music, sweet music all day long. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for O'Brien.
Shots? Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah, he doesn't stop in that one.
What's up? So the band's gonna give us good music, sweet music.
A bit much, Cha-Cha.
What's up? Please make some noise.
This is what we're doing for you. Never have I ever had friends with benefits. Just so that we take your place.
Oh!